In this video, I'll go over the 7 steps you need to take to add Zelle to your Chase bank. First, log into your Chase account online or through the Chase mobile app, then go to the transfer section of your account and look for the option to add a new external account or transfer service. Select Zelle as the transfer service you would like to add and follow the prompts to link your Chase account with Zelle. This may involve entering your mobile phone number or email address that is associated with your Zelle account. Then verify your identity and confirm the linking process through the confirmation code sent to your phone number or email. Now, once your Chase account is successfully linked with Zelle, you can start sending and receiving money through the Zelle service. It is important to note that Zelle is a separate service from Chase Bank, so you may need to set up a Zelle account if you haven't already done so. You can do this through the Zelle app or by registering on the Zelle website. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.